Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a watermelon daiquiri, the perfect cocktail for this type of weather. Pretty simple to make. I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for the equipment that I use. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need Bacardi, sugar, frozen watermelon, and fresh lime juice. Alright, we're going to start by cutting and freezing the watermelon. Alright, I'm going to start by adding the frozen watermelon to the blender. 2 ounces of Bacardi. A bit of sugar. The juice of a lime. And I'm going to add a little bit of ice for a thicker consistency. Time to blend it. I'm just going to pour this into the glass. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, let's give it a try. Wow, this is so good. Super refreshing. I can definitely taste the watermelon and some of the lime juice. I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the watermelon daiquiri. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!